The L terminal on the TH3000 thermostat provides a low voltage power feed used mainly for emergency heat and system notifications. The L terminal is wired to supply power or a signal when the heating system switches to emergency heat mode and is not required for normal thermostat operation. Technicians should verify the system type before connecting anything to L because wiring it incorrectly can cause false signals or unnecessary power draw. If your heat pump has a dedicated emergency heat stage, check the outdoor unit and auxiliary heat configuration and follow the manufacturer wiring diagram to determine whether L must be connected to a control board terminal or left unused. Use a multimeter set for low voltage to confirm there is only the expected nominal signal voltage on the L terminal when the system enters emergency heat, and isolate power before making or changing connections. If you are adding an alert or building automation interface that needs a notification when emergency heat is active, wire the L terminal to the input expected by that device and include a diode or resistor per the device specification to prevent backfeed. For most residential installs without remote notification needs, cap and tuck the L conductor into the thermostat cavity and document it on the wiring diagram so future technicians know it was intentionally left unused. Common mistakes include assuming L is synonymous with common or power and tying it to the C or R terminal, which can short circuits or energize the wrong control path. Instead, leave it isolated or follow the manufacturer diagram. Another issue is not testing for voltage during emergency heat, leading to missed notification wiring needs. The quick fix is to force emergency heat and measure the terminal before finalizing connections. A third problem is failing to label the unused conductor at the outdoor unit or control board, which causes confusion later. Label and record its presence on the system paperwork. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and letting users compare profiles and services related to heating and thermostat work. We also help contractors find job leads and participate in our discussion community, where installers and homeowners exchange practical wiring and troubleshooting tips.